Chisholm Trail Cattle Drive Association celebrating the Centennial of Oklahoma. From Fleetwood, Oklahoma to Caldwell, Kansas, reliving the Chisholm Trail, the cattle drive. We've got about, I think there's about 25 cowboys and cowgirls involved, and we're moving about 400 head of cattle, longhorns, and other breeds along with them, along the Chisholm Trail, close to it as we can get. We're trying to keep it as close to the olden days as we can, reliving history for us and for the younger generation, and also for the elderly. We've had several elderly people come out and really enjoy seeing this, and brings back old memories for them. We've had lots of kids come out and view horses and cattle that they've never seen or never seen up that close. They come to our cattle camp, watch us cook at our chuck wagons, watch us set up our tents, lay down our bedrolls, and get settled in for the evening.
Here come the cattle!